Tonight is a once-in-a-lifetime event, and it is a very special evening for all of us. Protect us from harm.
Mag-isap! Pasulong! Cut!
Senior High School Coordinator for her welcome address. Senior High
Good
School
evening.
Coordinator for her welcome address.
Let's give a round of applause to our especially the grades 10, 11, and 12 advisors and teachers for spearheading this activity.
Alma Mater.
Just a feeling. It is an action that we must choose every day. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lovely Faye Olavides, tonight's Miss Love. I'm someone else's shoes. We, family, or that special someone. Let us all choose to love with intention and endless positivity, resilience, and optimism. When life gets rough and tough, as it sometimes does,
And lose all its elements. Faith is the most centered act of the human mind. It is not a movement of a special function or special
about what to do or what to say. We can be whoever we want to be. Do whatever will make us happy.
Happiness and pleasure. When a person feels joyful, they smile, and that reduces stress.
Peace is equated to harmony and contentment. When we are at peace, we are free from fear, stress, and worry.
And beyond. I am your Miss Senior at Gainza National High School, Danica Mariano, who represents the embodiment of these qualities as a young woman.
So to the eye, but to the heart. A charisma that portrays warmth and confidence, and wisdom that brings forth understanding and good judgment.
Personification of the Philippines, often used to represent the Filipino everyman.
Personalities, please give them a round of applause.
Grand blockbuster films of our lives. In a few more episodes, we, the senior, will undergo more difficult tapings and happy memories that I think or we, every opportunity that comes your way. With this key, we pass on to you the skills to learn, the aptitude to succeed, and the creativity to make a difference. We hope to see all you
To accept every responsibility that we are accountable of. And we must start now. Not later nor tomorrow. Because being responsible today makes us a successful person someday. No longer kids. We must now learn how to discipline ourselves. We must learn how to control our unstoppable voices. And lastly, be able to distinguish what is right from what is wrong. So, as a start, we must learn how to follow God, our parents, our teachers, and rise right.
Journey come with setbacks. Sometimes I wanna quit the show. I'm told that I should step back. Please take me where I want to be, living out my dreams. Right before the rise, I'm on the rise.
department of his company, Attorney Jeanette. A naughty smile escaped my lips as I remembered her cat and dog relationship with her longtime boyfriend, architect James John Bobis, who is now in Japan for his project there. I should send him a message to remind him to buy me the last volume of One Piece manga, the limited edition one, and a signed manga authored by the famous Rance Mariano. It is the list.
Show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love.
Achievements to John Benson, Marjorie Sedan.
Sa pagtitingin ng dating sana ay pinapamagas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wala wag mong kalimutan. Ang isang pag-ibig ay
often symbolizes wisdom and challenge. A new hope and beginning, just a dawn signals that light will come.